Hello, today we're going to talk about organized lists and tree diagrams. So before we do that, let's read this. A healthy breakfast. Use the cards to create all the possible breakfast combinations that can be made with one entree choice and one type of fruit. The entree choices are a bowl of oatmeal or a bowl of bran cereal. Delicious. And the fruit choices are apples, strawberries, or blueberries. So you start with a bowl of bran cereal. Nothing like fiber to start off the day. I'm going to eat it with a fruit of strawberry. So that's my list so far. So I have bran cereal with strawberries. What if I don't like strawberry because I don't like the seeds between my two teeth? So I get bran cereal with sour Granny Smith apples. Or maybe I don't like strawberries or apples. Maybe I'd rather have bran cereal with blueberry. Delicious. But maybe I just don't want a cold breakfast of bran cereal. I'd rather have a nice, nutritious, warm bowl of hot oatmeal. Well, would I like it? I would like it with strawberries. But again, I don't like all the seed between my teeth. So maybe I want a bowl of hot steaming oatmeal with apple. Or maybe I want a bowl of hot steaming oatmeal with blueberry. So this lists my sample space. Sample space lists all the different possible choices that I can get out of this. So all my possible choices are right here. Possible choices. And how many outcomes do you see? I see one outcome, two outcome, three outcome, four outcome, five outcome, six outcome. There are six outcomes or six combinations. I'm going to abbreviate with combos. Did you know you can create a tree diagram using this? So I could have done it this way. Let's return this back. So here is my tree diagram I could have made out of it. So an organized list it's just a list of information. And and also it's organized. Instead of making like I just randomly choose cereal with a fruit and an oatmeal with any kind of fruit, did you notice how my organizes all the cereal right here and all the oatmeal right here? And I made it very, very organized and organize this so I do not forget anything. In a tree diagram, it's like a tree. So you start off, there are two types of breakfast entree. You can start with cereal or oatmeal. It comes with branches. From that, you can choose three different types of fruit. I can choose strawberry, apple, or blueberry. Strawberry, apple, or blueberry. And here's my tree diagram. In a I like doing tree diagram. It precisely tells you exactly how many outcomes. I can get cereal with strawberry, cereal with apple, cereal with blueberry, oatmeal with strawberry, oatmeal with apple, oatmeal with blueberry. So there are six outcomes or six combinations. So suppose members of the hiking club are served a breakfast bag whenever they have a Saturday morning meeting. Members use a form to place their orders. For breakfast order form. For beverage, they can have either milk or water, bagel, plain or raisin, or fruit, apple, banana, or orange. Start off the day again. Complete the organized list of the possible breakfast bags. So let's start off with a beverage. I'm going to start off with milk. From that milk, I will get a plain bagel. And then what fruit do I want to get? Apple. It says create an organized list. I do not want to go haphazard, go like from here to here, here, and just keep on going, picking from every one of them. So I'm going to start with milk again. And then I'm going to take plain bagel. Instead of getting apple, I'm going to try banana. Then I'm going to get milk again. I'm going to get a plain bagel. And I've already exhausted two of the fruits, so the last fruit is orange. Do you see how it's so organized? How everything I start with milk, 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 plain, 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 and then I just change off the fruits. Now, I want to get milk again. Instead of plain bagel, I'd rather have a raisin bagel with apple. I'm going to abbreviate now. I'm going to have milk with raisin, and I'm going to have banana. I'm going to have milk, raisin, and I'm going to have orange. So I exhausted in my list, I have all the different choices of outcomes with milk. What's the other beverage I can take? I can take water. And I know all this is going to be waters. Water, 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 water. So with water, I can get a plain bagel. So water with plain bagel, apple. Water, plain, oops. Water, plain bagel with banana. Water, plain bagel with orange. Can I get anything else from plain bagel? No. Now let's try the raisin bagel. Water with raisin and apple. Water with raisin with banana. Water with raisin with orange. And this is my organized list. It's so organized that all the milk beverages are in the top and all the water. There must be a faster way than creating an organized list. How about a tree diagram? A tree diagram is a faster way. It succinctly, very quickly can list all the different outcomes. So if I start with milk or water, those are the beverages. These are the beverages. The next level, I'm going to start with the type of bagels. I can either get plain or raisin. Plain or raisin. In the third level, after I choose my beverage, after I choose the type of bagel, I need to choose the type of fruit. After I order my plain bagel, how many different choices of fruits are available to me? 3 of them. They are, I can't remember, apple, orange, apple, banana, orange. Apple, banana, orange. But what if I do not choose the plain bagel and I choose a raisin bagel? The choices of fruit are apple, banana, or apple. Apple, banana, orange of me. What if I do not like milk? I'd rather choose water with a plain bagel. My choices of fruit are apple, banana, orange. And then with raisin bagels, apple, banana, orange. So, the sample space is all possible outcomes. This lists every possible outcome. This lists this is my sample space. It lists every single possible outcome. There are how many possible outcomes here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 possible outcomes. Next year, you're going to be learning the counting principle. I'm not going to teach it this one, but you're going to be learning the counting principle. If you're interested, Google it. Tamisha is picking a cake for her party. Her cake choices are yellow cake, chocolate cake, marble cake, and strawberry cake. For icing, she can choose the color, white, green, or pink. Create a tree diagram to show all the possible outcomes if Tamisha picks one cake and one icing. So Jaden and Calvin each solved the problem but came up with different answers. We're going to see who's smarter. Did Jaden do it correctly or did Calvin do it correctly? Let's see. There are 4 types of cake. Yellow, chocolate, marble, strawberry. Yellow, chocolate, strawberry, marble. Correct so far. There are 3 types of colors they can choose from. White, green, or pink. White, green, pink, white, green, pink, white, green, pink, white, green, pink. White, wait, what? What? Is Jaden correct? She is correct. She listed the sample space by all the possible cakes with the possible colors. Calvin is not correct. Why is he wrong? He neglected to put white here. In this one, he forgot to put green. In this one, he did not put green. This one, he forgot to put pink. So he forgot the 3rd color for each cake. So my friend is Jaden here. So what we just covered was tree diagrams and lists. In it, an organized list. When you make an organized list, do not haphazardly just come up with random stuff. Try to make it organized. Like try to get all the beverages or the first choice done. Then you pick from the 2nd level. Then you pick from the 3rd level. A tree diagram succinctly, quickly I like tree diagram. It makes it so easy to see it through branches, so you can quickly count up the possible choices and the possible outcomes. So there are 12 outcomes when you select 2 types of water, 2 types of beverage, 2 types of bagels, and 3 types of fruit. Organize lists and tree diagrams.